We're good? All right. All right, so here's the tune-up that we're working on. I previously showed you how to adjust the brakes on this one. So now I'm gonna check the gears and we're gonna see what we have to do on here. So let's start off with pedaling the bike. And then I'm gonna try to shift it and see what it does. So I'm gonna try to shift it up. Okay, it didn't move up. So where I start with this is your adjuster for your derailleur. This adjusts the tension on the cable. So if it's not going up the gears, you don't have enough tension on the cable. So I'm gonna turn it to the left, which pulls the barrel out and it tightens the cable. So this one's really loose, I could already tell, so we're gonna pull the barrel out quite a bit. And then we're gonna try to shift it again. Okay, went right up. Let's go to the next gear. Good, 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 good. All right, shifted it twice right there. Okay, it looks like it wants a little bit more tension, so I'm gonna give it this a little bit more. Okay, so now you wanna shift it down, make sure you didn't put too much tension on it, because if you put too much, it's not gonna shift down the gears. So let's pedal it, shift it down, down. All right, shifted down perfectly. I'm just gonna go up one more time. Make sure it shifts up nice and perfect. All right, that's all we have to do on this derailleur. The set screws are all set. It was just the tension was off a little bit. So the shifting is good now. From here, you could always, obviously, we're gonna lube the chain, we're gonna lube up the freewheel and the derailleur, and we're gonna continue on our tune-up here. We still have to wipe the bike down, check, make sure everything's tight and lubed up, and after that, see what happens next.